shorthanded. Here's Brandon Saad. Drops the puck off, gets a return pass, and cuts to the net. Bishop stopped him, but he's down. And it looks like he's hurt. There's going to be a penalty on the play, and it'll be goaltender interference. And there's going to be a 5-on-3 here, and Bishop is down and out.
And Joel Quenneville is going out of his mind. Joel, one of the most animated coaches, is just up and down his bench, feeling that it wasn't a case of Saad going in alone. He got pushed into Bishop.
But the call is being made, and it clearly seemed like it's goaltender interference. And Kevin Pollock's getting an earful from Jonathan Taves. This will be a 1:26 5-on-3.
The drop pass and another pass. You be the judge. Stamkos is on his back. Bishop goes down. And the arm, there was no hesitation at all, but Joel Quenneville is still going crazy. That arm going up there, Glenn, you see the arm going into the head. That's probably what sold it, wasn't it?
Not so much the collision.
Yeah.
Well, and you look at Bishop through the regular season, 13 times he's drawn that penalty, more than any goaltender in the National Hockey League. That's where it's going to be so difficult when you have video review. But what's the intent of this? You feel someone's hand on your back and you can take right through to the net.
Pivotal part of the game indeed, with 4:08 to go in this second period.